Hi friends, welcome to my channel Key to Employability. Today we are going to learn Tally ERP9 with the D1 session. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to learn the D1 topic. These are the topics are introducing Tally ERP9 and how to download the Tally educational version and install Tally, and how to open and close the Tally ERP9. And then we learn about startup window, company info, and how to create a company and save and close the company. So let's start with the first thing, how to download and install the Tally. So I have already opened Google Chrome, and here you can type Tally ERP9 official website. So you will have these are the links. These are the links you will have. So we can click on this link, GSTDT Accounting ERP Software by Tally, download. So by clicking this, we'll have this company's website. So Tally Power of Simplicity is the tagline. So we can click on download. So after download, you will have this window. Tally.erp9 is the version name and release is 6.6.2. So always visit this site frequently, because Tally is updating their software very frequently. So you need to visit this website very frequently. Is there any changes? So you can download. Always do download this latest software and do work with this latest software. So we can click on download. So it will be automatically down. Always use this option. Okay. So I am not going to download it because I have already downloaded it. Okay, so let me come to the part of this. So after downloading this, so we'll have this kind of software. So how to install? This is my second topic. How to install? How to install? Okay, so from right click from the software and this run as administrator. So make it yes. You'll have the window. Now it's appearing. It will take time. Window will be appearing. Just wait. So after appearing it, you will have a install button. Okay. Yes, already appeared Tally.erp9 installer. So you can see here, you can browse where you are going to install it. So you just click on install, so it will be installed. So I am not going to install it because I have already installed it. Okay, so it's very simple to install. So always I suggest, recommend. So I am going to cancel it as I have already installed it. Always I am going to suggest you, always you download the original recent software and you just install it, then do your work. So I'm just closing it. And then how to open? After downloading the software, you will have this icon on your desktop. Double clicking it, as you can see, Tally is opening. Power of Simplicity, Tally.erp9 is the version. So you will have the startup window. It is my second topic, startup window. Startup window, you will have, these are the options. So these are the options we are not going to learn right now, as we are going to learn in educational mode. We can navigate through this option by pressing arrow key or the navigation key. So come to the educational mode, then you press enter. Just we are going to learn how to open and how to close this Tally. After opening Tally, no need to use your cursor or the mouse pointer. You just use your keyboard. So press Ctrl Q to close this. Again we are going to open it. Double click on the Tally, so it will be opening. Again you press after opening it by close. How to close? Ctrl Q. Okay, now let me come to the part, what are the products we are using? We are using the Tally Power of Simplicity, Tally.erp9. Okay, and what is the version we are using? Release 6.6.2. If you see that, if you are not using the current version, so you can download from there and it will be automatically overlapped and it will become to the release version. Okay, as license and services mode, they are showing educational mode, as we are using none other than educational mode. That's why this is showing educational mode. Okay, calculator we can use here by pressing Ctrl N. This is the great feature of Tally. You can use calculator by pressing, as you can see, you can calculate. How to get away from this calculator? Press escape, so you'll be getting out. So next we are going to start working educational mode, then enter. So after entering, if you I have already made some companies, that's why by default we have opened a company. As you newly installed Tally, so directly will come to the company info. This is my next topic, company info. How to come to the company info? So company info, how to come to the company info? Press Ctrl F1. If you are not coming to the company info, so press from the gateway of Tally Ctrl Alt F1. Alt F1. Alt F1. So you will have this. From here we need to create the company. We need to create the company. Okay. So from create company, you need to you'll have the directory path. So directory path is very common. Each and every computer will have the same directory path. You can change it, okay, but I suggest not to change it right now. So this is the directory path where the Tally is your company is going to save. Okay, next you have to fill all the details like your names, your company details, everything you will have to give. And the financial year and beginning books beginning from is the tricky things. Financial year means, suppose I am going to create a company 16-17, so we need to put here 1/4/16, and books beginning is the same date, 1/4/2016. Okay, so let me show you. As I have already created my company name is Key2 Employability, so that's why I am going to just alter it. See this. So you will have to fill, these are the options, you need to fill this. I have already filled it. So as you can see, 1/4/2016 my company begins from, and after creating this company you will have automatically 16 and 17 your financial year. And books beginning from, you can put any date from here you want to keep your books. Okay, as we are maintaining the educational mode, so Tally is supporting only every 1st and 2nd or 31st of the month. So after completing all this information, they will ask you accept window. You need to press yes, accept. So it will be accept. After accepting, you will have this window. This is called Gateway of Tally. Okay, in this Gateway of Tally you can see this is the current period, and already have said automatically it will be taken 16 and 17. Okay, my company name Key2 Employability. Okay, so now we are going to create company. You have already created a company, and save and close the company. So we have already saved, and how to close? Press Ctrl Q for closing the company. Okay, so let's meet again with a new video, with a new session, that is day 2. To have a PDF file relating to my video, you may have a link in my description box. You can click there and download the PDF link to have yourself access.